Do you know the 10 advantages of CFC fixtures for your heat treatment shop? 7th, CFC fixtures have up to 90% less product distortion. See the former steel basket during loading. And the new CFC rack for Allen keys, 𝗲𝗏. The videos show an annealing process of Allen keys at 𝗲𝗏, Germany. On the left, the former steel basket, and on the right, the new CFC rack. With CFC fixtures, heating and cooling is much more consistent because of much less CFC rack volume. The great shape and dimensional stability of CFC ensures that the workpieces stay supported at all times. Through CFC fixtures, up to 90% less product distortion and rework. Start saving big with CFC fixtures for your heat treatment shop. Call +1 941 299 9191 or scan the QR code to learn more.